In this video, we will show you how to replace the console assembly on your t22.9 REFLEX Treadmill. Before you begin assembly, please be sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it will contain important safety warnings and assembly tips. If there are any questions regarding the replacement process of this part, please contact Freemotion Customer Care at the information below. To begin this replacement, begin at the back side of the console. First, locate the console cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all 4 screws affixing it to the console frame and set the cover aside along with the screws. Moving inside the console frame, unplug each of the wires that attach the console to the unit, then remove each of the 4 9/16" bolts. Finally, lifting from the sides, pull the console up and out, then set it aside. Supporting the new console from the sides, slide it down and into position, then insert and tighten each of the 9/16" bolts to fasten it. Reconnecting each of the wires, replace the console cover, then tighten each of the Phillips screws to complete this step. To test the unit, power the machine on. During the initial boot up, you'll be prompted to perform a series of updates. Ensure all updates are installed before using the machine. Please be aware that the update process may take several minutes. Once the update process is complete, the iFit user interface will launch and you will be brought to a workout selection screen. From this screen, the physical aspects of the machine can be tested. This concludes the repair tutorial. For further assistance with assembly, operation, or other inquiries, please refer to the contact information slide at the beginning of this video.